Look, are we running? Yeah, we are. This is our air duct. This is our filter. Okay, because we don't have a filter on one of our returns downstairs. One of them has a filter and one of them doesn't have a filter. What is that? What am I looking at? Okay, some kind of antenna box. Alright. What we're looking at over here, got some air coming out of there? I think so. Save that image. Air coming out of there? I think so. Save that image. Got some leaky duct. So we're going to start. This is an indoor air handler. This is our data plate. PSI 410 or R22. Okay, so it's rated. Alright, so that's fine. Heat wise it's fine. Cooling side. What we've got here, we've got a little rust in our pan. Pan drain does not discharge in the right place. Our primary drain has a shallow P-trap and it's not insulated. And then this is a vent pipe. Okay, so that's good. We do not have a clean out. Is that a care and use manual? Nope, just a valve kit installation. No care and use manual. This is where our air filter comes in with these suitcases. 20 by 25 by 1, or you can put a 20 by 25 by 4 in here. Probably needs to be cleaned. Sealed better than it was. And then our air duct. We're not supposed to have more than ½ inch sag in our air duct. We're not supposed to have leaks in our air duct. Okay, we're supposed to have saddles where our air duct is hung. Okay, our air duct's not supposed to be in contact with the attic insulation, and it is, and it's got more than ½ inch sag. It's not supposed to be in contact with the vent from the bathroom vent, and it is. And then we're going to move over to plumbing. See how this sits nice and level? We're supposed to have 3-degree pitch, so this will vent properly wherever you're going to. Wherever you're coming from. That's interesting. The bathroom is over here. Whatever plumbing vent that's for, it doesn't have enough pitch. Mouse trails. Air duct. No soffit vents. No depth markers. Here. We got a tough tape. Right there, somebody's missing their tape. We use cloth tape to seal that hole up. That's why you don't use cloth tape.